What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Pretty slow in the market for the last 4 days or so. So hopefully we get some movement this week. Currently sitting at 27.9K, down about 0.4 on the day. You see market about 540 million. 24-hour volume, 14.22 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's get into BTC. Actually, let's start with this weekly signal. So we have the EMAs here. This yellow line is the 20 EMA. This blue line is the 55 EMA. And we're back above them. So if we go back to the previous bear market, 2018, 2019, as you can see, once price got back above the 20 and the 55, it was a signal that the bottom was in. If we scroll back to 2014, 2015, as you can see, once we got back above the 20 and the 55 EMA, it was a signal the bottom is in. So once again, we've gone back above the 20 and the 55 EMA. So we can take that as a signal of the bottom being in. And of course, we have our beautiful inverse head and shoulders that we've been watching here. Oh, I had erased the drawings quickly there so you could see everything. But as you can see, they've come back as I tried to draw out that trend line. So we'll pop over to the 4-hour time frame. I'm watching this symmetrical triangle. Looks like we're putting in a nice WXY pattern. So what you'd be looking for is coming down in an A, B, and this could be a C. Of course, price could potentially break to the upside. So if that were to take place, measure your triangle, take it to the point of breakout, and that would take you up to about 30K. Which would be major resistance. And if we break down, then you come down in that wave C to our target zone in between 25 to 26K. As what we're looking for is a retest of that inverse head and shoulders. Let's see if I have it on another chart here. Yeah, so as you can see here, we also have this bull pennant, but if we do end up coming back down to 25K, we'll retest this inverse head and shoulders. Now, if we do break this pennant to the upside, I tend not to trust this pattern, especially when we're overbought, but if we do break to the upside, the target is 34.1K. The DXY broke out of our falling wedge. It's currently retesting it, so if we do bounce from here, obviously that will be negative for BTC, and that's when you see that continuation down to 25K, so do watch that pattern. Of course, we can just fall back down into the pattern, but if we do bounce from here, just watch that closely as it should correlate to BTC heading down towards 25K. The Dow Jones, as you can see, we created that double bottom. I said look for a bounce off that double bottom. That's what we're seeing. So we may just see a retest of this descending triangle. It really depends if we can break back up into the pattern. If we break back up into the pattern, it's quite positive for the Dow, which is obviously positive for BTC as well. Taking a look at the NDQ 100, we bounced from retesting our double bottom, and we broke out of, whether you want to consider this a bull flag or a descending Brownian wedge. We've already reached that technical target. So if we do see continuation up to 13.5K, that's also positive for the price of BTC. So I'm just waiting for, let me pop that chart back open, for this wedge to break. I think that will give us a strong signal of where the market's going to head. If we break down and we see that wave C to complete the WXY, retest 25K before seeing continuation, in my opinion. But of course, if we break to the upside, then we can see a juicy breakout right up to about 30,000. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies. And at the 10 USD membership, currently we're in a trade. I give my signals and my analysis for only 10 bucks a month. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, my HODL all plays, same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal with the drink. And you get more value out of the Discord, in my opinion. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.